Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from McGrath Estate Agents and welcome to 6 Queen Street on the Range. This home is ripe for a renovation, but set on 723 square metres, it's ready for someone to capitalise on. Let's take a quick tour around Queen Street and see why this is such a great opportunity. You know, some tenants have just moved out of this home, so it's absolutely livable, but we could replace the kitchen, move a few walls, give it a lick of paint. It would become a really magnificent home. It's got some wonderful period features like these gorgeous timber floors and nice high ceilings that make it super unique and something that you would absolutely find on the range. I'm really looking forward to seeing what the new owner's going to do with 6 Queen Street. In a great location with a wonderful outlook, it's got all the fundamentals to really capitalise on. If the team at McGrath can help you own this home, give us a call. We would love to help you out.